Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8. So I used to have the Series 6, but a few months ago it got defective. It's no longer showing on the screen, though my phone still detected that the Apple Watch is connected. And I wanted to buy the Series 7, but I said there's no need since the Series 8 is on the way. So I waited, and then here is the Series 8. Now for the one I bought is the Starlight Aluminium case. Although they did not show the type of band, but I just hope and pray they did not do a mistake on the band. Now without wasting much of your time, let's quickly go ahead and then unbox it. Now the box is just the same like the last year model. In fact, like every other series, it's not like the Ultra box that is ultra in nature. So there's nothing really different with the box from Series 7 and the Series 6. So you just have to pull it up like this, then put the other side, and then you open it up, and then you have the beautiful picture of the watch. I wish I would love this because I prefer the white, but I just said let me try something new. And the band is not that bad on the picture. I just hope I like all of them. It cost about $49 US. I think that's basically the cost of every other band except for this new something look forgotten. Now the seal is just like the iPhone 13 seal, so it's the same. I think we should first of all open the band. So the seal of the band is the same like the iPhone seal, so you don't need any cord, so it's just to peel it. So you have the usual paperwork, and then you have the band. Now the band does not have the short one like the previous model. I think if you are buying this type of band, it only has one band, so it's not like the white one that I'm wearing that has short and long one for people who have a long who have a big wrist. So, and then for the watch you have to peel it two places. So, and then you open the usual paperwork with how to connect it, the stuff. And then you have the charging cable, which is not bladed like the one on the M1 Ultra. I wish it is braided. Apple should try to be doing something new. It's repeating everything over and over again. Now for the watch itself, the color, I wish I would love it. Maybe when I wear it on my wrist, but for now, the silver still look better. The silver still look better. Or maybe when I start wearing it, I'll get used to it. I've used the black color. I didn't love that. That's why I bought the silver, which I love so much. So that's it, guys. That's it about the unboxing. So this is how to set the how to connect the band. So bye.